Have you tried launching a SaaS product and ended up frustrated with nothing except wasted time and money? In this video, I'll show you how I help the completely beginners make their genius ideas come life, launch their first product, start getting customers, and make money from it in less than 60 days. Work your mindset. Everything is made easy nowadays with AI tools, with no code. So many videos promising you that you will achieve 1 million in 2 hours, in 2 days, in 1 month. And there's no shortcut. There's no magic button. We don't talk about overnight success. You will have to put in the work. Expect to face some challenges from market research to development to marketing. The key is resilience and patience. Aim for consistency, not perfection. Don't wait until your product is flawless. It will never be perfect. Start small, be agile, improve over time, or you will be at the same point 2 months from now. Embrace failure. Things will go wrong. You don't fail, you learn. So use this experience and the setbacks to refine your product. And finally, stay focused. It's easy to get overwhelmed, but focus on one goal at a time, launching, then getting users, then scaling. So step 1, what SaaS to start? Start with the problem you face. Some daily pain points are usually the best SaaS ideas. Look for manual, repetitive, outdated tasks and ask, how would you address this problem? Can you gain time? Can you stop wasting money? Can you get less frustrated? Anything that could ease your life. Do other people face a problem? Of course, because if it's only you, there will be no market. Let's say you want to deliver pizza with a bulldozer. Yeah, perfectly fine, but there's no market for that. Can you solve this problem? Do you have the skills to solve this? And if you don't, can you find them? It can be using some specific tools, hiring some developers, or maybe even finding a co-founder. Will people pay to get their problem solved? No money, no solution. And are there competitors already? Spoiler, yes, of course, probably. And what can you do better? What can you do cheaper? What can you do faster? Can you provide better support? Can you provide more feature, etc.? Step 2, what do people want? This is a $1 million question. You can do online research. So you've got a lot of tools for this. You can use the forums, social media, review sites. You can use Reddit, Quora, Product Hunt, Capterra, LinkedIn, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp. On these websites, not the recurring complaints, because this is what you're going to address first to attract people, and some feature requests. What people are not finding, what people are missing on your competitor's product. After the online part, go out, have some informal conversation. Find and talk 5 to 10 people about the problem you've identified. Note their reactions, insight, ideas, and any pattern you may notice among them. Try to avoid talking to close friends or family, because they will most of the time tell you what you want to hear, and you need the real outer world opinion. And last, targeted review. Find 3 to 5 existing solutions in your area of interest, aka your competitors. Read as much user reviews you can. Find what people love, what people miss, what people are angry about. And this will be what you will need to do better. Third step, when to launch. Short answer is now. Launch now. Don't wait. Create a minimum viable product, an MVP. You need to prototype your product and test it in real life. You need a feedback loop in your production cycle. You can use tools such as Trello, which is a photo board. You can use regular interviews, or even a simple email. What do you want to see next would be good. Don't compare yourself to your competitors. They won't wait for you. If you wait until you have as many features as they have, you will always stay behind. Think of it like if you want to buy a new computer and you're waiting because you want the latest, more powerful technology. Well, you will never buy a computer. It's the same for your competitors. They won't wait for you, and their product will always be in advance. And remember, what you're trying to do is to do something better, faster, or cheaper. So you move, they move. And what you want is to stand out. Or if you don't, what would be the point for them to go through the pain of leaving the working solution to come and use yours? You've got to ease the friction. They would have to back up their data, import their data onto your solution. If you provide the same features, They will have to register again, they will have to provide the data again, mail, address, payment information, etc. So you need to make it worthy for them to switch and use your product. Lastly, be open and transparent. Don't overpromise. It's better to go something like, I'm starting something, I have an idea, maybe I think it's good for you. I don't really know how it will evolve. I don't really know where we're going. But what I'm sure is I'm building this product for you and I want to build this product with you. And I need your feedback, I need your opinion, and I need you to send me bugs, and I need you to send me your needs and everything. One of the most important steps when you've got a working product is how to price it. And it's a hard question because there's no one price fit all or one model fit all. What's working well is recurring payment. It's really good for businesses because most of the time people tend to overlook them. For instance, look at me. 2 days ago, I just realized I forgot to unsubscribe to one of SaaS products. I was sure I canceled it 4 months ago. So basically, I overlooked it, I forgot it, and I just offered them 4 months of revenue. Completely free because I didn't use the product. There are 3 main models and you know them. Free, sometimes with ads, freemium, and premium. Free with ads, to me, it's a big no-no. Remember when you're playing on your phone on a free game and right at the middle of the game there is an ad popping. What do you feel? You feel angry and you feel frustrated. And that's not the feeling you want to provide to your user. You have to build trust. So to build trust, the best thing is to open your product. So how can you open your product? You can do like, okay, this is my product. This is all we provide. Feature A, B, C, D, etc. You can use everything you want for free, but with quota. That means you can use only one API endpoint. You can only post twice or 3 times a day. You can only use 1 or 2 or 3 social networks. Even if you provide and you support 10 of them, no problem. You just have a glimpse of my product, test it, find if it fits your needs, and if everything is good for you and you're starting to know me and you're starting to trust me, then upgrade and go to the paid, and then you will be able to enjoy everything. Once again, the goal is to reduce the friction. So open your product, provide free trials, limit the number of views, the number of networks, the number of whatever you're using, whatever you're providing, but let your user try it.